Once you've emptied your bucket, you're going to need to clean it. Easiest way is just to use a hose, or you can clean it in the laundry sink if you don't have a backyard. You can use that. Spray off any loose pieces. Go chuck that on some plants. Once you've rinsed it off, the best way to clean is using a natural cleaner. It contains citrus oils, which are quite strong and nice smelling, so they'll neutralise that vinegary smell that you're smelling from the scrap. It's also completely natural. It contains similar BM1 bacteria that is in the actual composter spray, so it's not going to harm any of the bacteria inside. If you use a normal cleaner, it will have a negative effect on your next load of compost. So I'm just going to give that a good spray. Smells very nice. As you can see, wipe down surfaces. And then I'm going to rinse it off again. Brings it to a nice clean finish. Smells nice and fresh, ready to be used again.